Because the last thing that you want to do is create something that you think business owners want or need. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. In this channel, you probably already know, but we talk all things systems, automations, and how to launch your online business. I'm a online service provider, meaning that I provide a service to online entrepreneurs. My services include, creating integrations, automations, creating systems. Now, over the past couple of days, I've had an amazing conversation with someone, and I'm going to post a screenshot here of the conversation that I had. And this person is looking to start their online business. And if you don't already know, I do offer one-on-one mentorship and coaching for someone who's looking to start and launch their online service-based business. So I've had this conversation with this person, and they found me, I believe, either from YouTube or a Facebook community, and they were asking me questions like, hey, how did you take the first couple steps to launching your business, and any recommendations as I start, this online business journey. And I decided, hence the purpose of this video is to teach you the validation of your service or offer first, which is so important, because the last thing that you want to do is create something that you think business owners want or need, and you're wasting time and energy to promote this thing that no one needs, right? So you want to make sure that we are validating the offer or service. So that's today's topic. Just wanted to share this with you. Over the next couple of days, I am doing a step-by-step series on how to launch your online service-based business, from how to validate your offer to how to work with your clients. And again, this is something that I teach my mentees. So let's get started. I'm gonna give you a couple of, and I'm looking at my notes over here, a couple of steps, and then where to go to do research and all of that. So first things first is you want to do market research. Market research is just you going out into the marketplace and doing a little bit of investigation. And a lot of the places that I like to go just to see what a lot of online business owners are currently looking for or hiring for is going on Upwork. I think that's probably the best place to go, and just looking at what business owners, whether they're local business owners, different industries, and what type of positions they're hiring for. And you'll kind of see a trend as you start looking at these job posts. Another place that I like to go as well is Facebook group communities. Now you can look for 5 to 10 Facebook groups and looking at what they're posting. Some people will say, hey, I'm struggling with this, or hey, I'm looking to hire for this position, or hey, do you guys have any recommendations for this specific thing? And you're getting insight of what these business owners are needing in their business. The next place to go, but this one's a little more time consuming, is YouTube videos. So looking for 5 to 10 people that you like their content, that you like learning from, and look at the comments, because other business owners who are maybe in the similar niche, similar industry are probably asking questions like, hey, how do I do this? Or this was so helpful. This is what I'm currently struggling with. So it's always good to do market research. I like to do it at least every quarter or every 6 months, just to kind of get a feel of where the marketplace is and where it's kind of going, or if it's shifting. Always look at what skills you already have and your experience. Number one is doing your market research check out a couple places like Upwork, a Facebook group community, and YouTube channel comments. The second thing is drafting a service or offer, just one. We just want to focus on one. We don't want to have a plethora of services. So it's focusing on one specific service or offer, and then writing down, what the transformation is, what your potential client is going to get after working with you. And then the deliverable. So, hey, we're going to have, one call every week. We're going to do, this, and kind of doing a quick timeline or what it'll look like working with you. This might take a little bit of time because, again, you're probably doing this for the first time, but just writing everything down, and then you're gonna tweak it as you go. So it's just like your rough draft. And the third thing to do as you're validating and creating your offer is put it out there. Start creating content and do a beta launch. So reaching out to business owners and asking them, hey, I'm offering this new service. Is this something that you currently need? Or going back to those people who mentioned that they were, when you were doing your market research, that they're looking for something like this, and do it for free. It doesn't hurt to do it for free. That's how we all start off. And I recommend doing at least 1 to 3 of these beta services for free in exchange of a testimonial, and getting feedback. As soon as you finish, get feedback from your clients. Hey, is there anything that I could have done better? Do you have any recommendations? And just get more of an idea of what business owners would like to see in this service or offer. Now, validating an offer shouldn't take, 3 to 6 months. I would give myself at least 4 weeks. So 1 week to doing all the market research. The second week would be creating your service and offer and just looking around to see what other people are doing as well. And then the third week would be reaching out to people. Third and fourth week, because I know it could take a little bit of time. Putting it out there, again, telling people what you're doing, what you want to do is so helpful to get that exposure and visibility. Now, if this was helpful, comment below if you have any questions on, what validating an offer is. Stick around for the next couple of videos. They are going to be back to back. So as of today, for the next 7 days, I'm going to be uploading a video on what to do to launch your online service-based business. So that is all I have for you today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.